Chapter 2 Terminal Window Basics Part 2. The Signals, Codebase, Experts and Market are additional tabs that have been recently added to the terminal window. The Signals tab is a service that allows anyone to become a signal provider and sell trading signals or subscribe to them and follow the strategy of an experienced trader. The Codebase tab allows accessing the codebase published at MQL4 Community directly from the client terminal. You can select a necessary EA, indicator or script at this tab, download it and attach it to the chart right away. The Experts tab displays information about the functioning of the attached EA, including opening and closing of positions and order modifying. The Market tab is a store of paid and free applications where traders can gain access to hundreds of ready-made trading robots, technical indicators and other products. Thank you for watching.